Hi, first grade. My name is Mrs. Webb, and I'm going to be your first grade teacher this year. I'm so excited to get to know you starting next week. And I just wanted to introduce myself since you're not going to be able to come to our open house before school starts. We did a little video for you so you can see the classroom. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. This is my fourth year teaching at Allen, first grade, and I love the people here. You're going to love the teachers here. It is a great school, and we're just so excited to get to know you guys. We're going to have a great time learning together. Um, I have taught for 27 years, but this is just my fourth year at Allen. So I wanted to just tell you a little bit about myself, and then I'll show you some pictures of our classroom. This is my family. Cole is 20, and he is his third year in JBU this fall. And this is my husband Doug. He's a physical therapist and he works at Washington Regional. This is our 18-year-old Cade, and he is starting his first year at JBU. That's me, of course, and that's Crew, who is at middle school, 8th grade. So I'm pretty busy with these three boys. This is our dog Mac. We love him. He's pretty calm and quiet. Doesn't bark much, but he's an awesome dog. Okay, let's take a look at our school. So this is the green hallway. When you get to school, there'll be people right at the front door to show you where your class is and where my classroom is, and they'll show you where the green hallway is. It's a green hallway, and you'll be able to see that with this green railing, and there's green up here, so you'll know you're in the green hallway if you see the green. Okay, when you come down this hallway, we go all the way to that last section where those back doors are, and that's where our classroom is. We're the first classroom to the left, and my classroom is decorated with Skittles. We're doing our whole hallway is going to be decorated in candy, and I chose Skittles. So when you see the Skittles door, you'll know you're in the right spot. When you walk into our classroom, you'll see apples and lots of desks. And then this year you'll have desks instead of just tables. In first grade, you get desks, and you'll get to keep some things inside of your desk, like your boxes and some workbooks and journals. So that's what your classroom will look like when you get into the classroom. And you each will have a cubby with your name on it. Right now they don't have your name on it, but you'll have your name and a classroom number there, and you'll get to put your coat and your lunchbox and stuff there to store. And in first grade, you get to have Chromebooks, and we're getting brand new Chromebooks, and they haven't brought them to us yet, but we're going to learn how to use our Chromebooks to do our work, some of our work on. And that's where you'll keep them, right there on the counter, and it'll match your classroom number. Okay, ready for the next one? In our classroom, you actually have your own bathroom. We have a bathroom in our classroom in first grade. So you won't have to leave with the whole group and go to the bathroom down the hallway. You get to go to the bathroom while you're working. If you have to go, you just raise your hand and you go to the bathroom. So that's pretty awesome. I had to take a picture of that. Okay, this is what your desk looks like. There's a little spot right here that you can put your things in. So you'll have your journal and your box, like I've said, and you'll get to keep your own things in your own desk. And I just wanted to let you know that I can't wait to meet you, and we will see you next Monday. That is just so soon, just around the corner. We're going to have a great time learning together. See you soon.